Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on a Volvo V60 from 2019 and onwards. So first off, with the vehicle off, you want to set the vehicle in usage mode convenience by quickly turning the start knob to start without pressing any brake or gas pedals. So now for step 2, you want to press the button for decreasing the cruise control speed, which is on the left side of the steering wheel. Press it and keep it pressed. So with the cruise control minus button still pressed, you want to put your foot on the brake pedal and start the engine by turning this knob to the right. So now for the final step of this procedure, with the cruise control minus button still pressed, after just about 10 seconds you will see this information symbol. It's a bright orange symbol with the exclamation mark in it. Will start to flash. Once it starts to flash, you want to release the decrease cruise control button, and it will give you a message that the service has been reset and it was successful. So yeah, you're all done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.